Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joe from Manila Bites, and it's been a while I haven't shown up on my videos, so I'm here again. And we're cooking fried chicken and fried okra. But before that, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be notified when a video posted. So, alright, the ingredients we have for fried chicken, of course, the one and a half pounds of chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh, then that I marinate already in buttermilk and minced garlic. I'll show you in a minute how I marinate my chicken. And flour, cornstarch, 5 spice powder, smoked paprika, sea salt, garlic sea salt, ground black pepper, cayenne, 4 okra, and egg, and cooking oil. So I'm here outside. We're gonna cook here. Let's start cooking. In a bowl with chicken, add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, but you can reduce the measurement according to your taste, but I love garlic, so I put a lot, and give it really good mix to blend together. Then add the buttermilk, enough to coat the chicken, and give a little mix, and cover with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for about 4 hours. But if you have time, you can marinate overnight. So we're back in a currently situation outside of the house, and in a bowl, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, smoked paprika, ground black pepper, and I add more smoked paprika because I want a little bit spicy. 5 spice powder you can find in any Asian store, garlic sea salt, and give it a really good mix, so blend it really well. So after 2 times speed of mixing preparation, so I start to put the chicken in a breading mix and repeat the rest of the chicken. After I prepare the chicken, I turn the burner on and fill the halfway of pot with oil. Next, prepare the okra in a container with a lid. Add flour, cayenne powder, ground black pepper, garlic sea salt, and now in the other bowl, beat the egg really well. I give it a shake of mixing flour and the okra. I put in the beaten egg and mix it enough to coat the okra, and I forgot to mention that we need a breadcrumbs. So now transfer the okra into the mixing flour. Now everything in there, give a good shake of the container and put stack all the okra into the beaten egg. And now mix again with the beaten egg. I love mixing in here. So mix before toss it in the breadcrumbs. Now transfer all the okra coated with breadcrumbs on a clean plate. When the oil is hot, fry the okra on a medium-high heat until it's golden brown. Now it's time to fry the chicken for about 12 to 15 minutes or until it's golden brown. Hello guys, and I'm back. Luto na. Tinikman ko na nga siya. And very juicy naman. Crispy. Yung okra, medyo lumamig na. Kasi una ko siya niluluto eh. So that's it. Kain lang ako. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be notified when the videos posted. And I'll see you next time.